Never date someone who's the youngest child. Because I was talking to this girl once and she invited me over to have dinner with her family. But what she didn't tell me is that she's the youngest sibling and she has 3 older brothers. So right when I walk in their house, all 3 of the brothers are in the living room staring at me. And they had a very serious look on their face. So I introduced myself to them. But I could tell they really wanted to intimidate me because they shook my hand really hard. So the intimidation was working because later on, we're all at the dinner table eating until one of the brothers goes, "Hey mom, look at this new toy I got." Then he goes into his room and comes back with a machete. So we're all just eating dinner while he has a machete at the table. But the scary part is, he started sharpening it while making eye contact with me. He was basically saying like, "Hey, if you mess with my sister, I'm gonna use this thing on you." And listen, I liked this girl, but not enough to fight off ninjas. So that was the last time I ever went over there. Never date someone who's the youngest child. Because I was talking to this girl once and she invited me